Hi, Meng. Please unmute yourself. Hi, Meng. Good evening, Meng. Good evening, Meng. Can you hear me, Meng?
Yes.
Yes, you can. Thank you so much. Wait, can you open your camera?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Meng. Oh, very handsome, Meng. You look so handsome. Okay. So how are you feeling now, Meng? How are you feeling? Are you happy tonight?
Yes.
Yes, you are. Good to hear. Did you eat your dinner already, Meng?
Yes. It meat and rice.
Oh, meat and rice. That's very delicious, Meng. Did you play today? Did you play today, Meg? Did you play? Did you play football with your brother? Hi, Meg.
No.
Oh, no, you did not. I see. Now let me share my screen, Meg. And for today, we will have this one. Okay, so again, in here, all you have to do is to answer it like this, Meg. When does he or she go to karate class? He or she goes to karate class on Tuesdays. Okay. Now it's your turn to answer it, Meg. Can you tell me when does she go to karate class? When does she go to karate class, Meg?
It today.
Can you answer in a complete sentence, Meg? Can you answer in a complete sentence? She goes to karate class on Tuesdays. Can you answer in a complete sentence, Meg? Please answer in a complete sentence.
Vui lòng trả lời bằng một câu hoàn chỉnh.
Okay. Again, Meg, when does she go to karate class? When does she go to karate class, Meg? Can you tell me?
Yes.
She she goes.
Yes. Yes.
She goes. Can you answer now? When does she go to karate class? When does she go to karate class? Yes, Meg. Can you say she goes to karate class on Tuesdays? She goes to karate class on Tuesdays.
Yes.
When does she go to swimming class, Meg?
I know.
You, look at the table. You have to look at the table.
She what to swimming class on today.
Okay, on Thursdays. Very good. When does she go to dance class?
She got to dancing class on
Dance class on
Friday.
Okay, on
Okay.
Fridays. Fridays. When does he go to karate class? When does he go to karate class?
He was to karate class on Monday.
Okay, on
He
Mondays.
was
Very good.
to English class on Wednesday.
When does
He
he go to
goes
swimming
to
class?
swimming class on Saturdays.
Okay, on Saturdays, Meng. That is right. Thank you so much, Meng. Okay, now since we're done with it, Meng, then let us have. Okay, let us now proceed to a singing activity, Meng, with the title Karate Class. So let us sing this one, Meng.
Page 75. D. Sing. Karate class.
Sunday, Monday,
Monday,
Tuesday, Wednesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Thursday,
Friday, Saturday. He goes to karate class on Mondays, karate class on Mondays, karate class on Mondays. He goes to swimming class on Tuesdays, swimming class on Tuesdays, swimming class on Tuesdays.
On Tuesday.
Sunday, Monday,
Tuesday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday,
Friday, Saturday. She
Saturday.
goes to dance class on Wednesdays, dance class on Wednesdays, dance class on Wednesdays.
Wednesday.
She goes to English class on
Thursdays,
Thursdays,
English
class on
on Thursday.
Thursdays, English class on Thursdays.
Thursdays.
Hi, hello,
Hello,
On
how are
how are
you?
you?
How are you?
Sunday, Monday,
Monday,
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Saturday.
Okay, yes, thank you so much, Meg. And yes, that ends our singing activity. Now let us have this one, Meg. Can you tell me, Meg, what class is this one? What class is it, Meg? Can you tell me? What is it? Is it karate class, English class, swimming class, or dance class, Meng? What is it, Meng?
In English class.
Okay, yes, very good. It is an English class. Okay.
English.
Now, what about this one, Meg? What class is this? It's what do you think? It's self-defense, right? So is it karate class, English class, swimming class, or dance class? What do you think, Ming?
Ka.
Huh?
Karate.
Karate class. Okay. Now look at the next picture, Meg. Okay, what class is this one? It's It's, oh, you are writing it. I see. Wait. What about the third
Dancing
one?
class.
Okay, dance class, not dancey class. Okay, it's dance class, Meng.
Dance
Okay,
class.
yes, that's right, dance class. Now let us proceed to the last picture. What class is this?
Is
What do you
swimming
think?
class.
Very good, Meng. It is indeed a swimming class. Now let us move on, Meng. In here, I want you to complete the sentences. Like, for example, Meng, Jan goes to English class on Mondays. See, we have here Jan goes to English class on Mondays. Now, what about for the second picture, Meg? Blank goes to karate class on blank. Who goes to karate class, Meg?
John go to English
Mhm.
class on Monday.
Yes, that is for the first picture, Meg, and we're done with that one. What about for two?
It in my
And it's Anne.
and go to karate class on Tuesday.
Okay, on Tuesdays. Very good. Now, what about for the third picture, Meg? Third picture. Yes, Meg. What do you think, Meg? Third picture, Meg. Look at the third picture.
Oh, ah, Dan go
Mhm.
to Dan class on
Goes to
Wed-
what class? Dance class.
go to Dan class
Okay, on
to Wednesday.
Wednesdays. Very good. Now,
Wednesday.
next one, Bang. Next one. Last one, Bang.
Tôi go to Dan tôi go to swimming
Tom,
Tom go to swimming class
on.
on
Mhm.
Thursday.
Great job, Meng. Very good, Meng. Now let us proceed to this one. And here you have two connected, Meng. Look at the given information above, Meng, as it will guide you in answering this one. Okay. When does, is it he or she go to English class? When does, is it he or she? Can you try to connect it, Meg?
He
Okay. When does he go to English class, Meg?
he
He goes to English class on
go to English class on Thursday.
on Fridays. Okay, on
Friday.
Fridays. Now, second one, Meg. When does she go to? When does she go to? What is it, Meg? When does she go to Welcome back, Meng.
Vào mấy cái cu vẫn được mẹ ạ. Con vào cái dụng cụ vẫn được.
Is everything okay, Meng?
Ổn.
Okay, I can see you now, Meng. Again, when does she go to
Go to dance class.
dance class, Meng? When does she go to dance class? Can you tell me?
She go to dance class on Monday.
Okay, very
Monday.
good. Yeah, that's correct,
Monday.
Meng. On Mondays. Now 3.
Monday. When does he go to swimming class?
When does he go to swimming class, Meng?
He was to she was to on Tuesday.
Okay, he goes to
He got to swimming class. Swimming class on
on when, Meng?
on Tuesday.
Very good. That is correct. On Tuesdays. Now let us proceed to this one, Meng. What about you, Meng? Can you tell me? I go to blank class on blank.
I go to
To
English.
oh,
English.
I go to English class on when, Meng? On
On
when?
English class on
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, or Sunday?
Sunday.
Sunday? Okay, do you have another English class, Meng? Today? It's Saturday. Okay, so I go to English class on Saturdays, Meng. Okay, because we learn English every Saturday. Now, let us have the next one, Meng. We have here a story about a friend. So let's just watch this one, Meng.
Hello. Hi. Do you speak English? Yes, I do. I'm Ken. Nice to meet you. Can you play soccer? Yes, I can. Let's play. Good job, Ken.
Okay.
Goodbye. See you. Bye.
Okay, there you have it, Meng. And it shows the value of being friendly. They don't know each other, Meng, but when they meet in a certain place, they became friends. They even had fun and played football together. Okay, how about you, Meng? Are you friendly, Meng? Are you friendly? Yes or no?
Yes.
Oh, yes,
Yes.
you are. That's great to know, Meng. Now, that would be all it for our class today, Meng. Thank you so much. Goodbye, Meng.
Bye, teacher.